P3 Expo App User Guide. Download P3 Expo app from Google Play Store or App Store. Overview of P3 Expo app dashboard. To personalize event agenda. Browse registered delegates and start networking. View the list of speakers. Find details of all sponsors. Go through the list of exhibitors, request appointments and explore their products. See who's supporting the event and get more details about them. Check your matches for industry leads and start networking. View the list of chats sent and received from attendees or exhibitors. View requested appointments and browsed received ones. How can users edit their profile? Update profile details. Select matchmaking criteria to get relevant connections. Exhibitors choose offerings. Delegates choose what they are seeking. Exhibitors can upload company brochure and video URL. How to connect and request an appointment with an exhibitor or delegate. Request appointments by selecting a date and time and sending a request. Just scan a badge to instantly exchange digital visiting cards. To open your badge, tap on My Badge. To scan others' badge, tap on Scan Badge. Scan a badge, add notes and categorize the lead instantly. Download the scanned lead data in Excel from both the app and web versions. Web version of P3 Expo.